Good morning, grade 6. How are you? Today is the fifth week, and our lesson for today is how to make and edit a report based on the forms that you have filled up regarding the students' database. So let's go all over again, all right? Opening Access. Let me open Access for a while. Okay, Microsoft Office Access. Okay, and let me share that Access here. Let's go all over again. Remember that you type here students database, that you need to type students database file name. And to distinguish that is your file name, of your work, you can type your name there. All right? And then you created a table, if you still remember, name, uh, then you press enter, click OK, and then click text, address, birthday, contact number or cell phone, and then the last is hobbies. Okay, so and then you click X, yes, then you type here again, students database. Okay. All right, then to create the form after the table, just click the table again, then click create form wizard here. Click the two arrows and done. That's easy how you. And I'm asking you not to touch the ID or type anything there, but here on the form address, you can just type the name of the street, birthday, 2010, contact number, just guess. I know that it is confidential, okay, to type the information, so just guess. I'm asking you to type the information of your classmates, okay, for about 10 information, all right? Let me just finish this. Okay, football. I'm asking you to make this for you to go forward, no? You click that arrow there. So sorry. Eduardo Monlane, just the name of the street, no? Okay. With the fourth now, see, it's not, it will not take you a long time. Okay, we need Angola, and I'm asking you to use Google Chrome. I'm sorry, Google Map to know the names of the streets. It's about time that, okay, you know the names of the streets. All right. We need yeah. On the 6th now, okay, it's done. 7th. Okay, this is just be patient typing this until you reach 10. Okay, it's the night now. Okay, this is the last. Okay, yeah, there. So when you're done with the form, you click X again. And then to create the report, you just click create, report wizard, two arrows, and finish. See, that easy to make the report, and you will see all the list there. Okay, to edit the report, okay, you just click the design view. It's at the bottom. You can see the design view at the bottom of the report. It looks like a ruler and a pencil. You click that one. Okay, again, if you click that one, if you double click the report, it will go back there. Click the design view. And then to edit the report, you just double click the title and student database of, you can just say grade 6, just for example, harmony. Okay, then click X, the lower X, not this one, not this one. Okay, the lower X, then click yes. Double click the report again to see the changes there. You see? That's all, and thank you so much. I hope you can do this so easily, no? Invent the information, don't type the exact information, okay?